Hello, this is Aftab Khan, Executive Director and Instructor at BRASI. In our series to discuss supply chain management terms and concepts, today we'll look at sales forecasting. Sales forecasting is the first step in supply chain management that kicks off the planning processes, beginning with sales and operations planning, or S&OP. So you do have a forecast which you made at the time of budget for the entire year, but every month you sit down and adjust it based on actual happening, how sales is trending in the market, any factors that might impact and require you to adjust the forecast up or down to stay close to reality. So the techniques that we use can be bracketed into two categories. One is quantitative techniques, where you use numbers, mainly history, and the techniques can be simple moving average, or you can use exponential smoothing, adding a factor to assign weightages more importance to recent changes or more importance to original thinking. So those are the factors that we use. And then we have qualitative techniques as well, with judgmental things that computers cannot necessarily capture, like political, social political trends, events, weather events, all those things that you need to adjust based on that. So you combine those two groups and then come up with a more balanced, updated forecast. And factor that can influence can be internal or external, right? Your own company's plans and of course market factors. Output is your forecast for the rolling period. If you're forecasting for 36 months on a rolling basis, each month you add the final month and remove the previous month and add that as the actual to compare the forecast performance. Talking about performance, the forecast performance is your accuracy. How good was your forecast? And that you will know once the month is passed, you have the actuals come in and you see, okay, that's what we forecast, that was the actuals, or how close were we? The closer you are, the better off you are, because you won't need to supply or provide buffer inventory or safety stock inventory to buffer the variability. And of course, you measure variability through mean absolute deviation or standard deviation, which of course goes as an input into safety stock calculations. Those are factors that are very important. Supply chain has huge impact on a company's finances, and this is one of the key areas, because inventory performance is linked to your sales forecast performance, right? Also, you look at also the seasonality and bias if there is any persistent variability in one direction. Forecast is a very important step in supply chain management, one of the key steps, and huge impact on companies' finances. So much for now, folks, and I hope that you will gain something from it. We'll meet again for more. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.